Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download songs or music from Spotify. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need to know that to download videos on Spotify, you will need to have the premium version of Spotify. So now you will need just to go to your Spotify and here you will find Explore Premium. Of course, you can find it in any widget or any tab. So either you go to searching bar, you go to the home, any playlist that you have, you will find Explore Premium. Now we click on Explore Premium and then it will take you to the payment page. So here you choose to have a premium for one person and you click. Otherwise, you can just see all the plans that you have. So after you see all the plans that Spotify provides, you will need just to choose anyone. For example, this one. After that, you will choose either the payment gate or payment method. Then you can have some other payments, and then you will just click on any payments that you want, and you will start to fill in the form, the payment form, and you click on buy. After you obtain your own Spotify Premium, here you will need just to come to Spotify and go to any music or any playlist. For example, I will just click on this music and here we will find the shuffle, add to any library, and here we will find download. I click on it, it will tell you that you will need the premium version. So basically, you can do it also with the playlists. You can just go here and you will find download. You click on the download and you will start having your videos or songs to start downloading. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.